This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845, they both have 6 gigs of RAM, and they're both on Android Oreo. This should be one hell of a test. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the S9 Plus. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. XZ2, messages. XZ2 Premium again, the camera. Very close, you guys be the judge. Ooh, maybe the XZ2P actually, not really sure. Calculator on both phones. I'm gonna call that one a tie. The clock on both phones. Ooh, a tie again. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store, let's go. XZ2 Premium on that one. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. PlayStation app. And give the Sony app to the Sony boy. eBay, let's go. Ooh, very close. I'm gonna give that one to the XZ2P though. Click on this one. Leave it in the background. Baseball app, let's go. Woo! Call that one a tie. Chrome and the Samsung internet browser, go. Search for Amazon on this. Go. Very close, maybe the XZ2P on that one. Scroll on this. Give you an idea of the browsing speeds. Amazon full site. And looking at the progress bar, XZ2 Premium finished first. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both. Leave that in the background. Super Mario Run. Loading on both right now. And give this to the S9 Plus. Tap to begin. Woo, so close. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers, New York, loading on both, and woo, give this to the XZ2P. Tap to play, close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Looks like the Sony boys ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give the win to the XZ2P. Tap to play, close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. S9 Plus ahead. Will the XZ2P catch up? Woo! Give the win to the Samsung Knight. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, S9 Plus is way out in front. XZ2 Premium just starting, and give the easy win to the Samsung Knight on this one. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus first. And give the slight edge to the S9 Plus. Instagram on both phones. Woo, that's a tie. And Snapchat. Give the edge to the XZ2. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. Both of these phones have 6 gigs of RAM, so let's see how they handle RAM management. Good to go on the Instagram. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Same thing, ready to go. Angry Birds 2. Good to go on both. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both also. Super Mario Run. Ready to play. The internet browsers on both. Same place. Baseball app. same place. eBay, same place. PlayStation app, ready to go. Play Store, so fast. Clock on both phones. Both are still running the stopwatch. Are these phones gonna run the table? Calculator, same place again. The camera. And you guys be the judges. The Messages app, you guys be the judges. The phone app, give that to the S9 Plus. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9 and the S9 Plus, the upcoming Galaxy Note 9, the S8 Plus from last year, or even an S7 Edge? Or are you a Sony boy rocking this XZ2 Premium, Sony XZ2 that came out earlier this year, last year's XZ Premium? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.